Hello, guys. So we're about to feed Lily. Yeah, guys, I've been complaining and saying that Lily was sick. Do you remember? And she is finally at least better. And which is a relief. On speaking, it's a big relief that Lily is now better, but she's sleeping. She was supposed to be eating now because she's 9 o'clock, right? You Song little bus. Song little bus and song little bus. Please. I'm cushioning 9 upon an going busy. No, so go to it. Yeah, the child is not quit. Guys, I need my throat now. My throat is my throat is scratching. There are people who want to appear on this live, but there are people who want to appear. Hi. So this is maize puree, right? Maize puree, and we're gonna feed it to Lily. My girl, you are so sleepy. I don't know if she's gonna eat this. Honestly speaking, her appetite, if there is even any.
I'm not banana chinashi. Chocolate bucket.
Nani? Yeah. Dile vya batwel. Isa phone yanga sindire nenge. Ndito phone yanga so. Yo. Dile vya batwel umani mrawal. Enwi umani mrawa woyo. Veni kai.
Demon.
Ilo. Dile vya batu. Dile vya batu elia. Le vya bana le dzula le ko rwa bana le chigidira bana le chigidira bana.
Tenga jadinga nenda lirwa.
Ndo jadinga le rwa.
La vamaropa.
Hai. Na le rwa badi le vya batu. Oh, le vya batu elia.
Tenga lirwa ngadinga.
I'm waiting for my daughter to wake up so that I can feed her. I want to feed her maize puree, and I also want to feed her this. I got this from the clinic because she was sick and she lost a lot of weight. I think I told you guys the other day. Last night was the very first day that I slept. The last time I slept was on, I think it was on Tuesday. That was the last time I slept. And then I thought maybe it was just, turns out Lily was just, she had an infection. So she needed antibiotics. So she needed antibiotics. So she needed antibiotics and some medicine. So they gave her the medicine and this because she lost a lot of weight. Ryan, thank you so much for the support, Ryan. Be still my soul, be still my soul. My God. Okay. I have a scratchy throat, yo. I have a very scratchy throat. Don't you remember? Ini niko dozra basi. Koi da karo dozra na wana drawa. Ni do bani ko complain. Achito ni chito no ne tange sunu kwet. Ni da bango complain. Da ko complain. The budramu. Umara, via batulia, nikolibana via batu bewe. Bye. Yeah, hi, Shem. I even of giving up, which I did. And no, I think I have a connection problem. I don't know why. But the Wi-Fi is here at home. So I don't understand why they it's giving me problems. Lily is seated right there. She's right there. I was about to feed her, and then she's right there. You see? I was about to feed her, and then she she got the mat or the blanket wet. So now I was taking the other blanket away. See, all the water here. Lily did this, and I'm supposed to feed her while we're sitting here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Whew. Lily, what's up? Are you okay today? Chapo. She needs to eat today. She hasn't been eating, honestly speaking, and she lost so much weight. Oh my god. Like she lost so much weight. Yeah. They even gave me, but at least they gave us a bunch of medicines. Hi, Tireleto. Tireleto. Hello. How are you guys? But at least today, or starting last night, because they injected her and then gave me some few antibiotics. At least she was fine. She was better. Not sure how are you, your bag. I thought you were not. And thank you so much, not sure how are you for supporting my videos. I see you yeah and hyping them up. You know what? We appreciated the side. Yeah. Yeah. I changed my location. I went back inside the house. The Wi-Fi. You know what? Is there anyone who uses in South Africa, eh? Like, do you use rain Wi-Fi? It's the worst. It's the worst. Sham. It's the worst. Like, ugh, I know. I changed. I'm going back inside the house. I'm in the process of setting up. I, you know what, rain, eh? I think it just wants to face where the Wi-Fi is. Rain, my love. You're not giving. I'll pick. You're not